welcome to hundredths. Today we'll be looking at place value. Let's start with this one over here. What are digits? Digits are the part of the number. So let's look at what we did over here. 349 is then split into three parts. 1, 2, 3. And if there's three parts, then there must be 3 digits. Correct. That would be the right answer. And this example over here has 5,293. It's split into 4 parts. So there are 4 digits. Now let's do one more example before we move on, just to make sure you have the hang of it. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many digits does this number have? Well, let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 digits. Correct. Now let's move on. This is place value. Before we get confused with all this work, let's do a little bit of learning. Let's do the number 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Now, there are 7 digits in this number over here. So let's look at this digit right here. What place is it in? Now, this is when we're going to place value. This digit over here, the 8, is in the ones place. And then when we go 1 digit to the left, we go to the tens place. 1 more digit to the left and we go to the hundreds place. And finally, if we go one last time to the left, we get to the thousands place. This is really all you need to know, because with this, you can apply it on to the next number. Let's say that there was another digit over here. Then this would become the 10,000s place. And if there was another digit to the left, this one would become the 100,000s place. Okay. Now let's go to the other side of the decimal point. We have to understand that this is a decimal point. So everything on the right side of it is a fraction, not a whole number. Okay, so what should this be? I can tell you that everything to the right of the decimal point will have a TH. Most people think that this would become the ones place. But no, that's not a thing, so don't get confused with that. Let's take that out of there. This would actually be the tenths place. So this would become the hundredths place. And as you can see, after the tens place, everything goes in order except there's a TH that is being added. For example, the tens place becomes a tenths place, the hundreds place becomes a hundredths place. So with that information, we can infer that this would become the thousandths place. Correct. So this is the major idea of place value. Let's do a few practice problems. This number over here has 6 digits. I want you to think about what we did earlier and tell me what this number would be as a place value. So what place is it in? I'll give you a hint. It's to the left of the decimal point, so it doesn't have a TH. I'll give you like 5 seconds to figure this out. Okay. I think you're right. It's the ones place. Now let's do another problem. What would this be? There are 6 digits in this problem. What is the place value of the 5 to the right of the decimal point? If you said hundredths, you are correct. Good job. Now let's make up our own few numbers. I'm going to do 7,645.349. Okay, so I want you to tell me what this place value is and what this place value is. Remember, this one's to the left and this one's to the right. I'll give you 5 seconds. Okay, if you said that the 7 is in the thousandths place, you are correct. If you said the 9 is in the thousandths place, you are also correct. If you said that the 9 was in the hundredths place, I'm sorry, that's the wrong answer. I think you thought that the 3 is in the oneths place. But again, that's not a thing. So don't get confused with that. Let's do one more. 539.932. I want you to tell me what this 3 is and what this 3 is. So tell me what both of the 3's are. So, like, what places are they in? Okay, if you said that the 3 to the left of the decimal is in the tenths place, you are correct. And if you said the 3 to the right of the decimal point is in the tenths place, you are not correct. It is in the hundredths place. Good job. I think you understand how we're doing this. So finally, I'm going to give you 3 more problems, and I want you to figure out the answers by yourself. This one and this one. Next, and finally, okay. Thank you for watching. I really hope you liked the video. The answers for these problems will be posted on the website.